I've been waiting to show you guys this beautiful install. Yes, so this is one of the hair from the TikTok shop. I did an unboxing on here some time ago, and it's time to install this hair and show you guys what this hair is made what this hair is made of. Anyways, so this is what the wig looks like. So I'm going to put the wig aside and prep my hair. So this is a mixture of got to be glue gel, spray gel, right, and a gorilla snugged gel. So I wanted to do this experiment I saw online, but I believe I failed somehow. It wasn't giving me the really tacky texture I wanted, or rather tacky effect I wanted, but it still worked. Okay, so I applied a bit on my edges and then blow dry it on cool. Okay, on cool, not cold, on cool. So blow dry it a little bit and then went ahead to add some spray gel, which is the got to be glue spray gel. And then yeah, now I've added the hair on top of it. I'm not gluing down yet, so this is me resizing it. So I'm trying to see how, or rather trying to make sure it fits perfectly from my ear to ear, from ear to ear. Oh god. And once that is done, I'm going to go ahead with my bronze powder. This is from Revolution Pro, by the way. So I applied a generous amount all over the lace, around the areas, of course, that I'm going to. Oh, I can't find my words, but you guys, you get it. You get the gist. So once I was satisfied with that, I went ahead and cut off the excess lace, and this is what it looks like. Yes, it still give it that very light lace look, but we're gonna fix that later. But one thing about this lace is it's really transparent, so it's easy to work with. So now I'm going ahead to apply the mixture again, but now not just on my edges, but around my around the perimeter of my forehead, I would say, or the perimeter of my head, where the lace is going to be laid. So now I'm trying to rather glue the hair down. So this process is very easy. So this was one of the reasons I was looking for a very easy, tacky kind of glue to use. So I'm going to try another method again because I really need to get it right. Anyway, that's out of the way. So I've got it to this point. Now the lace is seated. Okay, so I'm using a rubbing alcohol to take off any dried or white cast around my head. So I went ahead with that bronze powder again all over the lace just to make sure it blends properly into my skin. You can tell it's doing that right now. And yeah, that's one thing I really like about this lace. I mentioned earlier the lace is transparent enough, and mind you, this is not HD lace, and the hair itself is not even 100% human hair. Okay, so for me to have a lace like this, I mean, it's good enough, you get. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and use the band again on it just to kind of melt it down one more time. And you can tell this time I made the band look tinier. That is because I want it to really hold the lace properly down, you get. So then I went ahead to make sure the pattern is straight enough. I mean, what you guys are saying right now is what I'm trying to explain to you. And then went ahead with wax stick, so that will help slick the hair properly or easily. I know some people suggest to use like the got to be glue spray, but I don't know, for some reasons I prefer the wax stick. Maybe because I haven't actually given a try to the got to be glue spray. But by the time I do, I'll also get back on here and tell you guys what I think. Okay. So I added the bronze powder again onto the part, and you can see how seamless it looks and how well it blends with my skin. It looks like my skin for real, for real. Oh my god, at this point I was already seeing the the beauty effect of the hair, rather the hairstyle. So I'm just using this hot comb to lay the front part, making sure it's giving me the kind of style, rather yeah, the look I was going for. Okay, and this time I was almost done, you guys. Clock it. So this is what it looks like by the time I was done with my makeup. I really, 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 really love this turnout. Yes, that lace is melted really well, like enough, good enough. I mentioned earlier, it is not HD lace and it's giving this. Come on, what more do you want? Like, what more do you want? So from now on, I'm just going to try style the hair to, yeah, take a look at that lace properly. So yeah, I also went ahead again with the bronzer just to make sure everything marinates so well. Okay, and yeah, this is another thing I did. I used the hot comb to lift the front part. You can tell, right? Yeah, you can see that effect. Although I got myself burnt here, this is one part I dread so much when doing wig installation, getting my forehead or my self burnt. But anyway, so do you see that? Yes, I love this front part, that lifted front part. Love it. So this is what the hairstyle looks like. What do you think? I love it so much. I love the turnout. I love it. I don't know how many times I have to say I love it, because I really, really, really do. For a very long time, I've not done hair in store, and seeing me with this hair right now, that's a hair in store, wig in store. Seeing me with this right now, I was obsessed. So this is it. What do you guys think? Oh, by the way, this hair is from the, okay, I think I've mentioned already that is from the TikTok shop. If you're interested, please check my showcase. Okay, if you're watching this from YouTube, from Facebook, from Instagram, please go on to my TikTok to check for this. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Bye.